This right here is the HOLLYLAND LARK M2. Yes, so let's do the unboxing. Well, I got the combo, which is for the camera, right? And also you can use it for the older version of iPhone and let's say your Samsung or any other Android device that has the Type-C port. Okay, so this is how it came in. Very portable packaging. Now let's get started. So I'm going to be using this. Yes, so let me just use it to tear up this. All right. I actually love how it is packaged, like it's just so simple. Okay, so I have to also remove this. Oh, I think I'm doing this upside down. Is this how it should be? Well, so this is it. The very first thing it says, "We are here for you." Right? Let's get in touch. Wow. Okay. I drop this aside. And now these are the stickers you can put on the mic. These are the stickers over here you can put on the mic. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how it is. Okay, but I prefer using black. I think I'm going to use black instead of this and I'll keep the rest. Well, it depends on the kind of videos I'm doing. And now here is your HOLLYLAND LARK M2 guide. So you know how to connect it and all, but we're not going to be needing this because I'll be showing you guys how to connect it to both your camera, your iPhone, your Samsung, whatever. Now, this is the packing list. So here we have everything. You can see it on your screen. This is everything inside this box. So I'm going to use this to be sure that everything in the box is complete. Yeah, and now here is our compliance information. Okay. Now here is the main thing over here. Yes, this is very, very solid. Okay, so this is it. Now let me just, all right, remove this. Give me 1 minute. Okay, this is the charging brick. And inside it over here, we have, this is the two mic 1, mic 2, and this is the connector to the camera. Yes, this is for the camera. Remember I told you I got a combo for both the phone and the camera. And if you're wondering, where is the phone spot? This is it over here, both of them here. So as you can see, this is for the older iPhone mount, and this is for Type-C. Samsung, the newer version of iPhone, and all other Type-C phones. Yes, so let's see if there's still something inside. Let's see. All right, so this is everything in the box. This is everything in the box. Right here, what do we have here? This is a bag to carry it actually. And the bag looks very, very solid. HOLLYLAND, made to inspire. Wow. So let's bring out what is inside this box. Inside this bag. Yeah. Okay, it's still kind of much. Okay, so this is everything in the bag. Now let's shift this aside. So now this is, the filter for the mic. The filter for the mic, right? Now this is the dongle to charge it. Okay. So this, you're going to need to connect to the camera port. Don't worry, when you're watching the full video, you're going to see how I'm going to connect it, to the camera. So ensure you check out the full video, okay? Now, this right here is the magnet. You have to kind of magnet them to your shirt. The two magnets for the two mic. Can you see it? This is it. Can you see how strong a magnet sounds? This is very solid. Let's just keep it here. What do we have here? All right, so this right here is also a magnet. However, you can put your mic here and wear it around your neck, just like as you can see on your screen. This is what it's used for. So because this mic, is just so portable, you can wear it around your neck and nobody's going to know that you are putting on any mic while you are talking and you are getting your voice on your video. And this should also be the filter for the second one because there are two mics. Yes, this is a filter for the second one. Right, so this is the full unboxing of everything in the box of this HOLLYLAND LARK M2 microphone. Check out my channel to watch the full video on how to connect this to your PC. Yes, you can connect it to your PC, to your phone, be it Android or iPhone, and lastly, to your camera. So this is, an all-in-one microphone. Yes. Okay, so I'll be seeing you over there.